No, I can't spend time looking on my Instagram screen again. It's so boring. That was basically what we from Your Choice were feeling when we decided to bring you students something new. Yeah, we were pretty stuck and bored with the same old things. So we decided to bring new technology to make your life, student, or your entire experience in our school every time a little bit better. Yeah. So today, one of the features I'm bringing to you is the new Your Choice app. A place where you can schedule your classes in the best time for you. Yeah? It works on the phone and on the computer. And that's fantastic. So right now, I'll show you how it works, okay? If you need, you can request a formal meeting where me or any of our teachers will explain to you step by step. Anyways, let's take a look here. So I'm adding my phone number here. 943011749. And as I did it, I will click to continue. The next step is you will receive an SMS message or a text message where the application will send you an ID number or a password. And in my case, it has just arrived. Look at that. My code is 54097. 54097. I have just add here. Yes. Let's see if it works. And yes, now I am on the chat. In this main screen, you can click in the red button where you see a range of different kinds of course: French, Spanish, English, VIP classes, or shared classes. And here on these features, you can choose the one you are part of. So I'm using here as an example VIP classes for English. Yeah, I click it in book. I'm seeing here many different teachers. Yeah. Oh, the teacher I'm in used to have classes is teacher Tiago, or teacher Pamela, or teacher Julia, Andrea, Liza. But as I am the one who is teaching you, I'll choose myself. Yes. So look at that. I choose Gillian. And then the next step will be a range of different times where you can schedule this class. Yes, exactly. You see that there will be many options. And in these options, you can find whenever date and time is the best for you. Let's click here 7 a.m. because I'm such an early bird. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Yeah, this is the previous screen. And then in the next step, I just have to conclude booking. And the class will be scheduled. Simple, easy, practical. Don't forget to give us your feedback about our new feature, if you enjoy or if you don't. Yeah. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial video. See ya, guys.